In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to easily send multiple photos with text on Telegram chat using your PC's latest update. Let's dive in. To begin, open your Telegram account on your PC. Once logged in, navigate to the specific chat where you wish to send the photos. Now, within the chat window, locate and click on the attachment icon. From the options that appear, select the Photos and Videos option. After selecting this option, a window will pop up allowing you to choose the photos you want to send. Pick the desired photos and click on the Open button to attach them to your message. Moving on, below the selected photos, you will see a caption bar. Here, you can type in the text you want to include along with the photos. This text can provide context, describe the images, or convey any message you wish to share. Once you have written your desired text, it's time to send your message. Click on the Send button to dispatch the photos along with the accompanying text to the chat. And there you have it. You have successfully sent multiple photos with text on Telegram chat using your PC's new update. Enhance your messaging experience by sharing moments with friends and family effortlessly. Stay connected, express yourself creatively, and make your chats more engaging with this simple and effective method. Enjoy sharing your favorite memories through photos and text on Telegram chat from your PC.